Creating a landing page in Flodesk is simple and perfect for capturing leads or promoting products. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into Flodesk. Start by logging into your Flodesk account. Navigate to the Landing Pages section. On the left sidebar, click on Forms and Landing Pages, then select Landing Pages. Create a new landing page. Click on Create New Landing Page to start from scratch or choose from a variety of pre-designed templates. Flodesk offers various templates optimized for different purposes, such as lead generation, event signups, or product promotion. Customize the design. Use Flodesk's drag-and-drop editor to add and customize elements such as text, images, videos, buttons, and forms. You can edit colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand. Include a call to action, such as a form for collecting email addresses or a button that leads to another page. Set up integrations. You can integrate your landing page with Flodesk forms to capture subscriber data or connect with other tools like Stripe for payment options. Preview and publish. After customizing, preview your page to ensure it looks great on both desktop and mobile. Once satisfied, click Publish to make your landing page live.